The tiger is one of the world's most recognizable animals, intimately connected with strength and untamed nature. A symbol of nature's wild places, significant in faiths and folk tales of almost all civilizations. Tigers inspire millions of people around the globe, from the monasteries in Bhutan to the catwalks in Milan. Sadly, tigers are on the brink of extinction. Tiger is an endangered species. Just over a century ago, 1 lakh wild tigers roamed around Asia. Today, fewer than 3,900 live in a mere 4% of their historic range. The largest tiger population can now be found in India, and we should definitely be proud of it. Home to half of all remaining wild tigers. Much of this decline has occurred in the past decade. This International Tiger Day, let's take a vow of knowing more about this animal and making people aware more about their probability of extinction. Today's video was mostly about awareness that we should spread across this day and not much about the drawing. But if you have enjoyed the drawing, then please don't forget to like, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll put you up with the music till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and be safe. Have a nice day. Bye.